Real, and this is Finn the Guy from Adventure Time. Today you may hear some noise from background. It's my dishwashing machine works. Yeah, I'm not in recording studio, as you may notice. No. So it becomes a tradition that I film video not on the day when I learned something, but on the next day. And yesterday it was February 14. Obviously not the best day for recording some things on evening. Yeah, I had better things to do. So let's move on to the topics. I have only two of them today. Okay, Kirill, tell me about this is this is stupid. First topic. It's a video from Confreaks TV. I think you may know this resource. It's quite famous. They have videos from conferences, as you may understand from the name. And this video I watched yesterday. It was from Aja Hammerly, and the name is 4 Programming Paradigms in 40 Minutes, something like this. And it literally blowed up my mind. I learned all of these things in university, but it was first of all like 10 years ago, almost. And second, it was not like sequentially one by one. It was different courses in different parts of my study. And when she showed everything step by step, like she just solved one problem, coin exchange in these 4 different paradigms. And it was so cool. I highly encourage you to watch this video. And I had prologue course back in my university, and now I added it to learn, to check, to try list, because it's so different. It's not like you're switching from object-oriented programming to functional programming, which you probably do during your work. And we even, in company where I'm working, we even had clean code sessions when we tried to do some katas only in functional programming way. So this is completely different. This is like another world, another mindset. It's complete mind shift. I highly encourage you to take a look, to check it, and I believe that you also should try to step out of your cozy object-oriented or functional programming world and try something completely different, completely new. Once I tried, maybe you know this name, brainfuck language, but the only thing I was able to do there is just to print some messages. I didn't dive deep. Second topic, integrating Go library into your Ruby apps. As auto describes, it makes a lot of sense when you operate with some specific algorithms like n-body or Fankach Redux, but maybe doesn't make so much sense on other cases. But still, it's worth to check it because it's obvious that Go computations are faster than Ruby one. But the only thing is that for your Go app to be able to interact with Ruby app, you should use C-typed data types, and it means overhead. It means that every time you need to convert data, which slows it down. So if you have a case when you need to transfer data a lot between, so back and forth, it won't make so much sense. But if you just have to put some data, do some complex computations, and then return it back once in a while, yeah, it's worth to check. I honestly never had any application where I would use it. Usually everything could be solved just with separate microservices in Node.js or Lambda functions. Or we also used Elixir. So, but I never considered using Go as something which we really need. Probably just I work too much in a web and we don't have so complex computations. One more good thing, I hope you know it, that now you can write Go applications. Do you know it? Yeah, you can write Go code for Lambda functions. It had been released, yeah, maybe like 1 month ago. That's so cool. I plan to try. I even already ordered the book about Golang. Oh, this is it, guys. it was a long day. I have been working the whole day, hardly working with the front end again, doing markup. Yeah, it was quite tough. But still, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow or today evening. Have a good day.